Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the mobile hotspot on your Samsung phone. Now, I'm on a Samsung Galaxy. The first thing we need to do is get into your settings. So swipe up and tap on the settings icon. And first, let's check to make sure you don't have data saver mode. That will prevent the mobile hotspot from working. So tap on connections here and then data usage. If you have data saver turned on, you won't be able to do a mobile hotspot. So if that is on, just toggle this off. Now let's walk through the process of enabling the mobile hotspot. So let's go back and back again. And there is mobile hotspot and tethering. Just tap on that. And you can opt to just toggle it on here. However, if you tap on mobile hotspot, it will give you some more information. It'll show you the network name and the password. If you tap on the password here, you can just go in and enter in whatever other password you want and then hit save. I would also recommend going into the band here because it usually defaults to 2.4 gigahertz. This is the most compatible of the gigahertz. However, if you bump up to, if I slide this over to 5 gigahertz, the speed of the mobile hotspot data will bump up as well and become faster. You can even go all the way up to 6 gigahertz. But if you're having connectivity issues, switch it down to the most compatible. After you've done that, if you swipe down and go to the top, you can see mobile data shared today. You'll be able to see the exact amount of data that you essentially used up in that day to make sure you're getting an idea of whether you're reaching the limit on your mobile plan. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.